Hi, Shabbat Shalom, everyone. This week we are actually in Parshat Noach, here, the second Parsha here in the book of Parshat. Very interesting. Just a verse in this week's Parsha which talks all about the dimensions within regards to Noach's ark. We very much learn about in this week's Parsha. So it says in one of the Pesukim over here, Sohar ta'aseh teva ve'el ama. Actually, and to go techalena min ma'ala ufetach teva b'tzada tasim. So it's just basically giving some of the dimensions of the ark. One interesting thing is it was an ark with full of lights. That's one of the things over there. Why we needed so much light at that point in time. Obviously there was a little darkness in the world. The world was getting destroyed. The flood was torrentious. It was heavy and it would bring a lot of darkness. But one of the things that they did before they actually entered the ark, the Noach's ark, was they got loads of jewels. They call it margolets, and both Noach and his three sons, they would take it. The intention was to get all these jewels and put it inside the ark, so light up the ark totally, in absolute totality, and there'll be all the lights. And how important it actually was for them, because they can have all creatures, all of earth that will enter the ark, all the different animals, the different types, some 7 pairs of animals if it was a kosher ones, some 1 pairs, but they needed to feed everyone, so they needed as much light as possible to, for every single thing. And just shows that the brilliance of this week's parsha, it encompasses all the various different dimensions in every single aspect. Wishing you all a Shabbat Shalom, and may our Shabbat light up in the best possible way. Take care.